Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and talked about revivals in the muscle car world, the 2026 Chevelle SS Sedan. Yes, you heard that right. The Chevelle is back, and it's wearing a four-door badge this time. But don't let that fool you. This car is anything but tame. Let's start with what's under the hood, because that's what really matters with any Chevelle. The 2026 SS Sedan is powered by a 6.2-liter LT4 V8, the same monster you'll find in the Camaro ZL1, pumping out an earth-shaking 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. Chevy's really giving enthusiasts a choice here. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but for the first time ever, an optional all-wheel drive system is available. That means more grip, more control, and better year-round performance. Despite being a sedan, this new Chevelle is no watered-down family cruiser. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just around 3.5 seconds, which puts it in serious performance territory. The chassis is stiffened, the suspension is track-tuned, and there's adaptive damping to fine-tune the ride between comfort and aggressive cornering. Design-wise, the 2026 Chevelle SS pays homage to the 1970s classic with a retro-inspired front, grille, quad headlights, and muscular fenders. But it's all blended with modern lines, LED lighting, and an aggressive stance. The four-door layout is seamlessly integrated into the design. It doesn't feel like a compromise. The SS trim features unique badging, blacked-out accents, 20-inch wheels, and optional carbon fiber touches that give it a sinister vibe. Step inside and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that blends performance and tech. There's a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a 13.4-inch central infotainment screen running the latest Google-based UI, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a head-up display. Materials are top-notch: Alcantara, real aluminum, and leather wrap almost every surface. And yes, there's even enough room in the back for adults, making this one of the few muscle cars that can actually serve as a practical daily driver. Chevy has also made sure the 2026 Chevelle SS isn't just about brute force. There's a full suite of driver assistance tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a semi-autonomous highway driving mode. It's a muscle car built for the modern world, and it's ready for more than just straight-line speed. Pricing starts just under $65,000 for the base SS, with well-equipped models climbing into the $75K range. That puts it in direct competition with cars like the Dodge Charger SRT and even some European performance sedans. But what the Chevelle brings to the table is heritage, raw American V8 performance, and something that feels truly special. Chevy says this model is just the beginning. For the reborn Chevelle lineup, rumors of a two-door coupe and even a fully electric variant are already circulating. But for now, the 2026 Chevelle SS Sedan is more than enough to get muscle car fans fired up, especially those who need the practicality of four doors but still want to hear that V8 rumble. That's it for this episode of Drive Zone. Let us know in the comments, would you daily drive the new Chevelle SS? Or are you holding out for the coupe? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, so you don't miss our upcoming test drive. Until next time, drive safe and drive hard.